Hey!
It's Zoom 21.
And Mika. We just finished school. Hell yeah.
Last day of school.
I got a banana. He gave me a big banana as a gift. Some students decided to screw things around with school, so we don't want to get in trouble. So we're out of this. Bye. This is a shirt hasn't got me. Rocking it.
Also.
Okay, so he was on the phone. Oh, apparently it's still recording. So we have Hassan's mom decided to come, and he's trying to talk to her so we can just chill and do some vlogs. We decided that we will be doing some vlogs together because we're best friends, and why not have someone else with him. So yeah, this is gonna be something new, and we'll see how it goes.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me.
I'm pro like that. You just remember that. Ooh, water. Is that water, Hassan?
Finally, we've been searching for days.
Oh, no, it's a cliff.
Oh, damn it.
Here's the
Ball.
Oh,
Oh my god.
there's
What?
ducks.
What are those?
What are those? Yeah, you. I'm
There's
done
so many.
my family.
Oh my god.
When a banana
Ow.
ricochets against you.
Yeah. Oh,
There's a
finally.
beach.
Water, guys.
Look, look, look.
Get on.
Yep. Okay, so Hassan decides he wants to go over there. Yeah, roll your pants up. I decided I'm not gonna go just because.
Watch Hassan do this. This is one, this is two. Just try, Hassan. You got this, I believe in you, brother. He's gonna so follow me. He's so gonna follow me. I'm just waiting to get on camera. You got it almost there. Watch out, the road's gonna be a little slippery. Just a minute. I've been telling the viewers you're gonna fall. I'm just waiting for you to fall. I'm gonna stop recording you until you come back here. So if you fall, you got it on camera. As the wild Hassan makes his moves to kill his prey very slowly. Step on the dry part of it. Let's see what Hassan has to deal with. Step on the dry part. Watch the right foot. It's gonna be wet. I believe in you. This is 1 hour and a half. Okay, do what you want. Let's see how he sees his feet. No, no, keep trying. Keep on, okay, you'll have school enough time.
She's gonna do it.
Gotta live your life. He's gonna do it. Well, whatever happens, Mika. It was not my fault. I'm still gonna see you. Mika, what is that? Hot, look. It's yellow. Good luck, I don't have some. Oh, that's the one. Oh, shit. Yeah, I suppose so. Was it out there for that?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Back in my day, children, we made fire like this.
Oh my god, if you miss the camera. We're gonna race.
I don't know if the camera can see us.
It does.
Okay. Banana.